Hi, my name is Justine Fabian, Assistant Secretary of the College of Architecture Student Council. And last week, leaders came from UST Central Student Council's Leadership Training Seminar titled LEAP Leadership, Excellence, Action, and Passion. We had loads of fun, but we also realized that we had a lot of things to do. Anyway, here are a few of the clips that I was able to take of the said event, and I hope you enjoy it.
Hello, Casey.
Hello. Nerds.
Nasa bus kami.
Yes, we're in the bus. Bus dos.
For the LTS.
Yes, it's called Leap. As in, Leap.
CFAT.
SE.
Hello. And the other SCs. Local SCs.
Pakita mo si Marge.
Hindi ko siya makita eh. She's still there?
Casey.
Diba galing ko, ano? Hi, Aljo.
Justin. Ay, aw. Kayo, ano?
Ay, year na kayo?
Third. Incoming third.
Ang kaklase ko na.
Dapat nga hindi tatakbo ng
Sino po rito yung from the College of Commerce? Si Joyce Tan po to follow po. Ano po yung sabihin na? Nandito na po ba siya? Or susunod po siya sa Kaliraya? Or
Commerce!
sa Kaliraya po? Okay.
Yun ba yung commerce? Yung nasa
Okay,
likod.
nasa dulo. Si Aljo.
Yeah, nakita ko na. Wala pa
Ayun
rin
si
sila.
Marge. Ayun na si Marge.
Hello, Marge! Hi, Anna. Morning!
Wala kayo dog.
Ang foggy! Foggy.
Mahaba daw yung daan.
Super.
Oo, nawala. Isang wala.
Ayun o.
Isang kobrel kasabay na.
Kasya ba tayo doon?
Sakay niya tayo.
Kasya ba tayo?
Ang sabi nga nung kaibigan ko, hanggat hindi ikaw gutay-gutay, hindi ka nagmahal, hindi ka pwedeng pumasok sa langit. Magaling ang katawan mo, hindi ka tulad ni Kristo. Hirap nun. Hindi ka papasok sa langit. It is only when you love so much and you were able to experience the mad generosity of giving, then that's the only time you will be able to say, I have lived a full life. Okay, game.
Always remember that the servant leader is servant first. It begins with the natural feeling of serving for the good of those who follow. The servant leader is servant first. I know that you have heard so much about leadership in the past days, but let me share with you some personal thoughts. We're all leaders, and we're leading all the time, well or poorly. Kagabi lang pinag-uusapan namin ni Ate Joy, at sabi ko nga, pine-preempt ko yung sasabihin ko eh. Lahat naman tayo, even those people who report to you. Gulat nga ako dito sa UST, meron pa palang chief of staff eh. Diba? We're all leaders. We're all leading all the time, well or poorly. That's now your choice. Do you want to lead well, or do you want to be seen as leading poorly? Diba? That's, I think, self-explanatory. We're all leaders. We're all leading all the time.
This is recording. Hi, Kelvin and Bian.
Video ba yun?
Casey's still writing. Ay, sorry.
Silence daw.
Sorry.
Kailan tayo titigil? Kailan tayo titigil?
Scary.
Hindi ko pa rin siya. No. From AA man. Sorry, shit. Nakabito. Pero mas nakakatash yung video.
Okay, so I wasn't able to put all of the videos in this one video because the size of the whole thing that I was able to take from the LTS is 20.9 GB. And I'm sorry I wasn't able to take this top, and also the one of Carmen Casada. But I was able to take Ma'am Cabral's and Jeffrey Tarayao's talk. Really good. I enjoyed his talk. I learned a lot. Anyway, I'm gonna post next time. But if you want pictures of the amazing race, which I wasn't able to take because I was one of the participants, because I wasn't able to charge my camera then after Cabral's talk, there are websites that I'm gonna post on. I don't know where the thing for YouTube is, but it's gonna be there anyway. So just check it out.
Kasi architecture tayo.
Scary.
Marami na kayo natututunan? Unang slide pa lang yan.